Have you ever wondered who are the people that make your flight journey possible? Let's start with the check-in counter. In the hustle and bustle of the airport, the first familiar face you encounter is usually that of the check-in counter staff. These are the professionals who kickstart your journey, the ones who set the wheels in motion, so to speak. Their roles are manifold, often demanding a blend of tact, empathy, and efficiency. One of their most important tasks is checking in your luggage. They ensure your bags are tagged correctly to your destination, then whisked away on a labyrinthine journey through the bowels of the airport. You might not give it a second thought, but this meticulous process is crucial to guaranteeing that your luggage arrives safely with you at your destination. Equally important is their role in verifying your travel documents. With a keen eye for detail, they confirm your identity, flight details, and any necessary visas. It's their thoroughness that ensures you're on the right flight, heading to the right destination. They're the gatekeepers, if you will, making sure everything's in order before you can proceed to the next step of your journey, but their responsibilities don't end there. They're also the first point of call for any queries you might have. From questions about your seating arrangements to the nitty-gritty details of the airline's baggage policy, they've got you covered. They might even have to deal with the odd curveball question like, "What's the weather like at my destination?" or "How long is the flight?" With a smile and a reassuring word, they're there to put your mind at ease. So the next time you're at the check-in counter, take a moment to appreciate the hard work these professionals put into making your journey as smooth as possible. They're the unsung heroes of the travel world, the first friendly faces you see when you set off on your adventure. These professionals ensure a smooth start to your journey, but there's more to come. Once you're through check-in, the next people you encounter are the security personnel. These individuals are the gatekeepers of the airport, the human shields that keep us safe as we embark on our journeys. Their role is multifaceted, encompassing a wide range of responsibilities that are crucial to the smooth operation of any airport. First and foremost, security personnel manage the security checkpoints. These are the places where you, as a passenger, are screened before you're allowed to proceed to the boarding area. It's here that you'll empty your pockets, remove your shoes and belt, and pass through a body scanner. All these steps may seem tedious, but they're essential for ensuring the safety of everyone on board the plane. Then there's the screening of luggage. Security personnel use state-of-the-art X-ray machines to scan every single piece of luggage, ensuring that there are no prohibited items or potential threats. It's a job that requires keen eyes and a thorough understanding of what to look for. But the role of security personnel extends beyond these checkpoints. They're also responsible for responding to any immediate threats or issues within the airport. If there's an unattended bag, they're the ones who investigate. If there's a disturbance, they're the ones who handle it. They're trained to deal with a wide range of scenarios, always ready to spring into action to keep the airport safe. And let's not forget their role in maintaining order within the airport. They help to manage the flow of people, ensuring that everyone is in the right place at the right time. They're the ones who make sure that no one is in a restricted area or breaking any rules. All in all, the security personnel are the unsung heroes of the airport. They work tirelessly, often under great pressure, to keep us safe. They're the ones who allow us to travel with peace of mind, knowing that we're in good hands. Their expertise keeps the airport safe, setting the stage for the next group of unsung heroes. Behind the scenes, providing essential services to your aircraft, are the ramp crews. They are the unsung heroes of every flight, working tirelessly to ensure that your journey is smooth and safe. Let's delve into the different roles within these remarkable teams. Firstly, we have the engineers. These are the skilled problem solvers who keep the aircraft in tip-top shape. From routine checks to handling unexpected technical issues, they ensure that every plane is in perfect working order before it takes to the skies. Then there's the refueling team. They are like the heart of the operation, pumping life into the aircraft. Their job is to make sure each plane has the right amount of fuel to reach its destination. They take into account factors like the length of the journey, the size of the aircraft, and the weather conditions, calculating the exact amount of fuel needed. It's a task that requires precision and expertise. And let's not forget the catering crew. They are responsible for the meals and refreshments that keep passengers nourished and satisfied during their flight. From preparing a wide variety of meals to meet different dietary needs to stocking up on beverages and snacks, they ensure every passenger's culinary needs are catered for. It's also worth noting the baggage handlers. They are the muscle behind the operation, loading and unloading luggage with speed and efficiency. They ensure that every suitcase, every bag, every stroller makes it from the terminal to the plane and then from the plane to the terminal at the destination. Their work is physically demanding and often under tight time pressure, but their efforts are crucial to keeping the whole operation running smoothly. Ramp crews also include the cleaners, who make sure the aircraft is clean and comfortable for every passenger. From the seats to the bathrooms, they ensure every corner of the plane is spotless and inviting. These teams work in harmony like a well-oiled machine, each performing their own essential function. Their hard work is often unseen, but without them, no flight would be possible. So next time you fly, take a moment to appreciate the work of the ramp crews. They are the people behind the scenes, making your journey possible. Once we're on the plane, it's the cabin crew and pilots who take over. The cabin crew, or flight attendants as they're often called, are the heart and soul of the in-flight experience. Their role is multifaceted. They're there to ensure your comfort, meet your needs, and most importantly, ensure your safety. From the moment you step onto the aircraft, they greet you with a warm smile, aid you with your luggage, and guide you to your seat. Once everyone is settled, they perform a safety demonstration, a vital part of any flight, to familiarize you with the aircraft's safety equipment and emergency procedures. Beyond safety, cabin crew are there for your comfort. They serve meals and refreshments, assist with in-flight entertainment, and answer any queries you may have about the flight. They're trained to handle a myriad of situations, from medical emergencies to unruly passengers, all while maintaining a calm and professional demeanor. Now let's shift our focus to the front of the aircraft, the cockpit. Here the pilots take the helm. The captain, the highest-ranking member, is responsible for the safety of the aircraft, passengers, crew, and cargo. The first officer, or co-pilot, assists the captain and shares flight duties. Before takeoff, pilots conduct a series of checks on the aircraft and its systems. They plan the flight path, taking into account weather conditions and air traffic. During the flight, they monitor the aircraft's performance, navigating and adjusting the course as needed. They communicate with air traffic control, updating them on the aircraft's status and receiving instructions. In the case of an emergency, it's the pilots who make crucial decisions, drawing on their extensive training and experience to ensure the safe landing of the aircraft. As the plane touches down and taxis to the gate, the cabin crew and pilots conclude their duties, ensuring a smooth disembarkation process. These teams work tirelessly to make your journey comfortable and safe. Their dedication and professionalism ensure that every takeoff is followed by a safe landing, making air travel the marvel that it is today. And finally, guiding your plane from the skies are the air traffic controllers. These unsung heroes of aviation are the eyes and ears of every flight. From the moment your plane starts its engines to the minute it taxis to its gate at your destination, these professionals are watching over. Air traffic controllers manage the intricate ballet of aircraft in and out of the airport, choreographing their movements to ensure a dance that is as safe as it is efficient. They monitor each plane's trajectory, speed and altitude, making split-second decisions that maintain the flow of traffic and prevent any mid-air conflicts. These guardians of the sky are the final assurance of your safety, working tirelessly in their towers or, in some cases, thousands of miles away in remote control centers. They are the last watchful eyes before the pilots take over for landing. Their crucial role completes our journey from check-in to destination. And so we've reached our destination. Our journey from the check-in counter to this moment of touchdown has been a symphony of coordinated efforts. The boarding staff got us off on the right foot, their friendly faces offering a warm welcome to our journey. The security personnel ensured our safety, their watchful eyes scanning for potential risks, their actions often unseen but crucial. Then we moved on to the ramp crews, the unsung heroes who toiled behind the scenes. They refueled the aircraft, attended to its engineering needs, and even catered for our meals. Their dedication guaranteed a smooth flight. Inside the cabin, The crew made sure our journey was comfortable, their tireless service exemplary. The pilots navigated us through the skies, their expertise guiding us safely. Above them all, the air traffic controllers orchestrated this complex dance, their decisions pivotal in our safe journey. Next time you fly, remember these professionals who make your journey possible. Safe travels.